everybody. Today I'm trying to do the same thing I did yesterday. I'm going to do a kiss pour again. The paint yesterday was far too thick. I got that. So today I have actually tried to mix my glue and water in a bit of a different way. Instead of 70-30, I've used 65% glue and 35% water, and I am actually using distilled water. Don't really know if it matters, but I'm using distilled water. Yeah, my painting yesterday was quite okay, even though it was too thick, the paint, but the gold just vanished. There's not many flecks of gold left. I will take a picture of it and post it later. It's not completely dry yet, so we'll have to wait for that. Today I am, as I said, doing a kiss pour. I am using Liquitex Basics Marsh Black. I'm using titanium white, and instead of gold I'm using silver, and then I am actually using quinacridone magenta. That was a very hard word to pronounce, and that's actually this color here. I also wanted a little brighter pink, so I used the quinacridone magenta, and then I put a blob of titanium white in it to get this pink. So let's start. I forgot to take up a cup, sorry for that. So I will use the black to get negative space, and then I will pour in this cup to do the other stuff. So let's try. I'll start with the darker, the magenta, and as you can see, the paint is much thinner today, which I am grateful for. Maybe I figured it out finally. I'm not sure, but maybe, who knows. No, I'll have white to separate the pinks. Yeah, I was really nervous yesterday. It was quite frightening to do a video. I've never challenged myself in that way before, so I kind of thought that now it's the time. So, well, I hope it wasn't too bad for all of you to watch. It was a new experience for me, to say the least. Yeah, but it was fun. I'm doing it today, aren't I? So it was fun. So let's see, I'll have a little bit more of white. It's not too thin, they're still layering quite well, and I'm happy about that. So yeah, I think I'll take the silver and then I'll end with the magenta, and then we'll see. There is enough of paint. There is a lot of paint, so I won't be missing any paint though. You see, it's nice layered. Yeah, I like it. I like the colors. I'm not a fan of pink at all, actually. I kind of don't like it at all, but it is my daughter's favorite color, so you just have to do it sometimes, right? Okay, let's pour. Am I in the middle? Can you see what I'm doing? A kiss pour. Again. But I like them a lot. And I found that it's quite hard to pour and talk at the same time. You really need to concentrate, and I'm not very good at talking and pouring, or anything else for that matter. Doing two things at the same time, it's hard for me. It wasn't a problem before, but it is today. That's how life is sometimes, isn't it? Yeah, looks good. I don't know about the silver. It might be gone again. I'm having problem with the metallics. Yeah, I think I stopped there. Well, it's a lot of shimmering. There's a lot of shimmering. It's actually more shimmering with the silver than it was with the gold yesterday. So let's try. The paint is thinner. So it should be a bit better, actually. I hope so. I hope that the silver just don't vanish like the gold did. That will disappoint me. Okay. Let's try to do some tilting. I'll go in a circle first, and then we'll see what way we want to go. And I'll try to have the canvas so you actually can see something as well, not just me, which is hard to remember. You know, that's the thing about being able to do two things at the same time. It has a special name for it, but I can't really remember what it is at this moment. I actually do like the colors, even if it's pink. Yeah, I do. And the silver's actually there. I'm happy. I'm really happy. Okay, I'll do that corner first, because that's something you can see. So I'll do that corner first. I don't know if I might be a little. Maybe I should have been more generous with the paint than I was. But yeah, nothing to do about that now, is it? I'm going to just help it over the corner. Okay, back. Whoops, sorry. Couldn't see that, could you? That is so typical me. Kind of forget, but I am really a novice in doing YouTube, or doing videos, YouTube's videos, or any kind of video actually. So I'll do this corner next so you can see, and then I'll try to flip the canvas so you can all see what I'm doing and not just me. Yeah, come on, get over. Is it over? Yeah, I think it's okay. It's just there in the middle. It isn't really over there, is it? Yeah, now. Yeah, back to the center. Yeah, I'm going to flip this now so that you can see what I'm doing. I'm trying to get the pink, or the center, back into the center, so that we can see it wants to go to that corner, so I'm gonna let it go to that corner. I should have put some more paint in the corners. Would have been easier to flow, but it's a lot thinner than it was yesterday, so it is actually a lot easier to move around. It flows a lot better. The paint flows a lot better. I will actually help it a bit here. Yeah, I'll have some of this as well. I have quite a lot of paint over, so yeah, I will tip that off so it doesn't really matter. Okay, let's do it. Let's go for this corner over here. Okay, I'm taking the canvas off camera. Taking the canvas off camera. I'm sorry, my English isn't the best, but yeah, it will have to do. I didn't really like that, so I'm going to tip that off, and I think I'll tip that off a little bit as well. Yeah, no, a little more. Come on, you can do it. Yeah. Now I'm going to take it back. Yeah, I will flip it again. You can see it. I will take the black back to the center. I really don't like this black blob, so I'm going to try and tilt it away because I don't like it at all. Can you see it? This one here. Yeah, don't like it. It's coming off. Right, great. And then back. Yeah. Yeah, I really like that. My hands all messy again. I guess that comes with the trade, whatever you say. I'm going to fix up the edges after I stop filming. So now I'm going to, I was trying to find something to wipe my hands with, but I kind of forgot that. So I'm going to just remove my gloves without trying to making a mess. And then I'm taking you down so you can see what I have done. Okay, I'll turn the camera so now you can actually see. And look, the shimmer, it's absolutely, I love it. So it was probably because I had the paint so thick yesterday, so it just couldn't get to the surface or something like that. It just kind of went down in the bottom, so it's under all the other layers of paint. Yeah, this is great. And there are silver, not much, but it is shimmering, and it is shimmering quite a lot. Yeah, I do love these kiss balls. They are one of my favorite, and I like it when there are all this negative space. Okay guys, I'll pause you again, and then I'll take some video. I'll take some video of the painting I did yesterday. And so here it is. This is what I did yesterday with the green and the turquoise. And you can see there are some gold shimmer, but it's not much. It's not much at all. But it's still pretty though. I love it. I like it. It's awesome. I love the colors. These are really, really, really my colors. So in that sense, it's okay. It's more than okay. I think it's beautiful. But I would love to see the gold. Yeah. Well, that's all for me from today. Yeah, see you around. Bye.